friends, welcome to Sehani Creation. If you enjoy our videos, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By clicking the subscribe button, you'll stay updated on our new videos. Thank you.
Hello everyone, so welcome back to new video. So in this video I'll show you about how to make this flower Gerbera. Okay, so let me just show you what you have to do. In this particular flower I have not insert the pollen. You can insert the pollen as well. Okay, and we have already prepared some petal. Okay, one big, two middle one, and one is small one. Okay, and how to do the coloring I'll tell you, no need to worry. Okay, for the time consuming I have already colored petal. Okay, so you have to take your wire before that what we have used and just do the rotate in between. You can use this flower in your anywhere. Okay, like you have to just rotate in the between. Now take your teal green and sorry guys, and this is again your white and use your this color. Okay, and just rotate. So your blending will be done. If you want, then you can blend also, and if you want little bit white, so you can just leave it like this. Okay, so you have to, guys, you can zoom it to your system. Okay, I'm trying my best, whatever I know. I just want to give you the best knowledge. Middle part hardly going to show, so that's why I'm just covering the back area. I always forget to cover. So this pattern, so this one is done. As you have to cover all the petal with this color. Okay, I have already prepared. So now I will tell you how to shape this Gerbera. Okay, so firstly, as we know that we have to spray some water. Okay, you can use the dry embossing also, but my paper is thick, or you can use any paper. Flower making is not like that you have to take a particular calf paper, or this was a simple cardstock. Okay, nothing very hard in that. Just to be dry. Okay, and see, our petal is dry. Now what you will be needing, you have to take your groove tool. Okay, and now took the petal and just like this. You have to use like this. Okay, see the beautiful petals are. Okay, every flower having their own demand for embossing. Okay, and shaping. Okay, so see how and you can make the different variety with the same. Okay, I'll show you how to, so now your second one. Okay, you have to prepare the big flower and small flower is totally depends on you. Okay, you want a small flower, so you can use only single petal. Okay, so now it's little bit wet. Okay, so again you have to use, you can use this with your pencil also. Okay, so like this, if you don't have or you don't want to use this one, you can use okay. Okay, and this one is small one. Okay, now you have to take your ball tool for second size. Okay, for this one biggest petal you have to just little bit, and for this one you have to take the small, just press in between. Okay, so see how our petals are, and take this small, and this one you can use as a filler flower also. Okay, and but definitely I'll show you the filler flower also in separate lecture. So now what you will be needing, you have to just just place it. Just just a little bit. Anybody can say that these are see the beautiful. Let me just do it. And now for the smaller one, you can use so your flower is ready. Just wait, I'll do. I think yes. Now this is my stone. Okay, so what you can do, you can just put stone. You can use the filler flower, you can use the pollen as well. So now the beautiful our flower is also done. Okay.